Hi everyone, welcome to the Learning British English YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out our Instagram and my website. See the links below. Anyway, today you are here to learn about hyperbole. Hyperbole. Okay? This is the language of excess description. It's the language of overemphasizing something. Okay? Now I'm going to look at positive hyperbole, things that we say in normal English, British English conversation to say how great something is, okay? So let's jump into the list of fantastic hyperbole. Brilliant! Everything is brilliant. Gosh, that was brilliant. What a brilliant effort, okay? So that's how we would use brilliant, same as amazing, fantastic, superb, wonderful, perfect, splendid, smashing, dreamy. All those words we can use interchangeably almost to say, gosh, what a superb effort, what a fantastic piece of work, what a wonderful essay you've written, what a great example, what a splendid cake you just made. It was delicious, possibly the best thing I've ever tried. All of that is hyperbole. Hyperbole is a very, well in this case, is a very positive thing. You can go the negative way, but I don't want to be negative and neither do you. Okay? So, other terms of hyperbole. Now I mentioned dreamy. Normally you hear dreamy used in terms of someone being very attractive. Oh gosh, he's so dreamy, or she's very dreamy. It means they're a very attractive person. But it also means a very good situation. Oh my god, dreamy, or dreams. We're living the dream. You know, everything is great. That is perfect. Another one, which is quite a recent one in slang terms, is worldy. Most often used of, I was having a worldy, she's having a worldy. It basically means having a great time, a fantastic time. You're having a worldy, nothing has gone wrong. Okay? How did you like these terms of hyperbole? Tell me below, give me your own examples. Maybe there's some I've missed out. In fact, I'm positive there's some I've missed out. So stick them down below and give me your best example of how you would use them. Okay? See you soon. Bye for now. Don't forget to head over to our Instagram and the website to have a look at what's there. Daily videos, tips, links, all sorts of stuff. See you there.